So guys, today MNML sent me a case out for a review. This is the matte black 5.8 inch for the iPhone 10. They have for the newer model iPhones as well for Android. So let's take a quick look and see what's inside. Alrighty guys, so a little bit of a nice boxing here that we have from MNML. This is one thing that I noticed. So here you're presented with the case. It's the first thing you see. As far as the case goes, it's not a hard case. It's actually kind of soft, and it does have that matte feeling cover to it. Interesting thing here to note is the covers for the buttons are cut out. Your buttons will be exposed. Now another thing that I noticed was right here you can see that there's a little lip around the camera. That way whenever you place your phone on a flat surface, the camera will be protected, so that's pretty cool to see. So let's look a little bit more into here. What we got a little cleaning tiny microfiber cloth with the MNML case. That's a nice touch. I like that. So you guys can see the detail that is behind the MNML case, and I kind of am enjoying the experience. So this is kind of cool. Get 20% off your next purchase. So if you guys are going to purchase from MNML Case after seeing this video, you guys can use this code and I guess you will get 20% off. So that's awesome. And on the left side you have your quick instructions. Pretty straightforward, right? I mean, I don't know who needs instructions to put a case, but some people do, so there it is. And that's basically it. As I mentioned, it's a nice unboxing experience, and you definitely do pay for the price. So let's dig into this case, because that's what we're here for, right? This case, it's ultra lightweight, flexible, bendy, and let's put it on the phone real quick. So actually, before we put the case on the iPhone itself, this is the MNML case, correct? This is the notorious slim case as well, and I've done a review on this case before, and it was really good to me until I dropped it and it cracked on me, and also it messed my phone up. Yeah, I got this line going. The LCD is bad, so I don't know if you guys would want to see a comparison test video sort of thing go on. I probably will be doing one, just because these both cases are marketed as the slimmest in the game, and the design is very similar yet different in lots of little areas. So I'll probably will film a video, but let's put our main focus and attention here to this MNML case, which was what we were here for, right? Sorry. Applying this case will probably, okay. So simple as that. Buttons in first and then the rest follow. And as you guys saw right there, it is a little bit slippery. Looks really nice, really excellent, and it feels good. It's smooth, but it's matte. I'm digging it. I'm really digging the case. I'm gonna try it out. This is a competitor to the notorious slim case. And from the first impressions, it feels thinner and it feels a little bit nicer. So we'll rock this for a couple days, couple weeks, and then come back to the review. So another cool thing that I failed to mention is MNML Case has 100% money guarantee. So if for whatever reason you don't enjoy the case, it's not for you, they will 100% refund you your money, which is awesome for a company to do that. So some cool features that this iPhone case provides is it's branding free. It's 0.335 millimeters thin. So what does that mean? It translates to it being extremely thin. That's what it means. It's been precision crafted. So as I mentioned, it has the camera protection on the rear. That way when you place the phone on a flat surface, it won't get scratched. And also it supports wireless charging. Obviously, since it's so thin, that's not an issue, and it's super lightweight, so it won't be adding that much more weight to your phone. It's as if it's naked, it really is. A thing to notice is the case, from other customer reviews, they've mentioned that with time you do start to see a couple scratches here and there, but that's a given with any case really. It's impossible for it to not get any scratches. Now it's also been reported that when they try to take the iPhone case off from the phone itself, that sometimes there's cracking, which I don't see that being possible. As you guys saw, the case is very flexible, so I'm not sure about that one, but it's out there. So just a thing to take into consideration before purchasing this. Now this is a premium iPhone case. It does seem like it wouldn't take that much money to make. However, it does feel like it is a quality, well-made case, and it runs you for about $27 US. I'll leave a link in the description down below so you guys can go ahead, check it out. They have different colors. This is the matte black one, but they have different various colors, and they're all subtle, so they stand by their Minimal Case whole brand. So really appreciate it, Minimal, for sending the case out for review. As you guys know, this is not a biased review. It doesn't matter. I've always been unbiased with all my reviews, even if they send them or if they don't send items. This, from what I can tell, is a very good product. It's well made. Now, $27 is quite pricey for what you're getting. However, when you're purchasing this, you do know that if it falls, the chances of it cracking, I mean, there's not much protection. So you know what you're getting yourself into, but it is a premium quality case. I mean, even from the unboxing itself, it's special, you know? You get the whole experience. Now, what I want from you guys is, should I make a video review of me comparing this minimal slim case, which is $27, compared to Tora's, I think it's like $7 iPhone case, which I've already used. So would you guys mind to see a comparison video on these two? Let me know. I probably will make one just because they're so similar, yet there's a huge considerable price difference, and maybe we need to talk more about it and see why there's that price difference. So with that, guys, wrapping the video up here. As I mentioned, it's a sexy looking case for sure, but at $27 it's a little bit up there. But I mean, this is what you're getting. Some nice cuts, a nice design. I mean, you be the judge. I'm digging it. Would I recommend it? Definitely. Why not? Catch you guys later. Take care. Cut that. God, I suck at this shit.
I'm becoming the best at it and mastering myself.